Hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can get Kling 2.6 for free. Okay, the first thing that you're supposed to do is to come to this website and come to your Chrome browser and type Robonio AI. Then come to the website itself. The first link you're going to be getting, click that one. It's going to give you different interface here. You're going to be seeing it says stunning visuals, effortless effects, flawless executions, great next big hit it, and it gives you a generate. And we are partners with 20 plus world-class AI models. As you can see, one sentence ad creations and intelligent campaign planning, ROAS and ads, one click enhancement and short drama creations. You can create dramas here. You can create a lot of things, intelligent video processing. You can also do that with Robonio.ai. And if you scroll down, also you're going to be seeing all of these video interfaces here. You're going to choose the type of video that you want to create. And if you scroll down, you're going to be seeing the payment plan and the free plan. So we are going to be using the free plan here. That is $0 per month. When you sign in, it's going to give you 70 free credits. That is cyber crowd, and also 20 credits per day refresh for the first 7 days after you log in. So monthly, you're going to be having 4.99 per month. As the subscriptions, you are going to be having 20 free AI credits and 300 free credits per month. The $4 plan, that is a little bit sensible. Also going to be having $1.67 per 100 credits. You can generate 60 images or 15-second videos. Edit. You can also edit 300 images or 75-second videos. If you scroll down, also you're going to see a lot of features there. When you look at the other plan, also I don't mention, you can see $15 per month. If it is monthly plan, you have $18 per month. But if it is yearly plan, I think it's going to be $15 per month. And when you scroll up, you're going to see a lot of features there. So let's start. You have to come to this site here, login, and you have to continue with your email. Once you click your email on your email, it's going to take you to this interface and it's going to sign you in. Then you can continue on Google again. Then you're going to be signed in. Okay, awesome. Once you sign in, what you are going to be doing is you are going to navigate to this place here. That is workflow, and if you want, you can copy this link and give it to people. Therefore, anyone who signs using your link will get 50 credits. That is 50 carrots, and you also who give it, you're also going to be having 50 credits. Okay, and just come to new project. After new project, come to workflow. It's going to be automatically taking you inside cookies, and you have 70 credits right now here. Immediately you signs up, and this you have a lot of interfaces here, a lot of workflows going on. So they have already lived in these workflows here, so that when you come, you can see how these workflows are working. What you can do here is to delete these workflows. You're going to delete them. Delete. You're going to delete these workflows. We're going to create our workflows. Delete this one. Delete. Click on it. Delete. So delete. Click on it. Delete. And to come to this plus sign and click on the plus button and scroll down to video creation, then scroll down to text to video and place your arrow key at the black empty space here and right click. This one is going to disappear. Then you have the workflow. You can drag the workflow here. Then you zoom it down a little bit. You have text here. We have one here. Let's delete this one. We have text here. Then you can zoom it in a little bit. We take it back. You can still zoom it in. Bring it down a little bit. Okay. You can still zoom it. Alright. We take it out a little bit. So for the text to video, we have students here. Let's check students. Student 2.0, that is 100 carrots. And student 2.0 versus 8. Then we are going for Kling. Kling 3.0, Kling 3.0, that is 36 credits, but we don't know the second. It's 5 seconds we need. Let me check for 15 seconds. Let me look at, scroll it down. We need Kling. Let's check for Kling 2.6. Okay, good. Let's Kling 2.6. We are going to look at, we're going to pick 10 seconds. The sound is 60 credits, isn't it? If you want, you can look at the other one. If it is Kling 3, how many seconds? 15, let's say. Let's take it to 10 seconds. Let me give you 72 credits. take it back to 9 seconds. It's going to give you 65 credit. We turn the sound on by 9, Kling 3.0. Let's take it to 10 seconds and see. Seconds, 10, 72, and here we have 70. Let's see, it's not going to run it. Say, please check if the note is correct. We're going to take it to 9. Okay, 9. Let's see, it's going to be 65 credits. Run. Let's check if the note is correct. Okay, you're gonna run here. Before you run, you have to bring your video, your text here. You have to put your text. You are going to bring the text here. Okay, come to the Anaconda, come to robonium.io, paste it here, then go back to Anaconda, looking for scene 8 and 9. Copy this, come here, hyperrealistic. I'm going to paste this one here, paste this, okay. We're going to have prompt again, and let me pick the master prompt, sorry. The master prompt was not correct. Copy the master prompt and bring it here. Okay, good. Let's go for the prompt, scene 9, come to Robonio and paste it. Then we click run. It's generating the video now. And play it and see. No! So if you want to download it, you come here, click download, then you can go back. This is it. We're using Kling 3.0. So if you enjoyed this video or if you learned something from this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the update of my next video. Thank you.